You will all agree with me on this, that we all have 24 hours within the day. However, there are two groups here. One group of which they can be able to manage everything and accomplish all their tasks within the 24 hours. However, there are some of us, no matter how much effort we put into the tasks or how much energy we use, we won't be able to accomplish all of our tasks. Therefore, we'll be left with one or two of them not done, or maybe halfway done. Therefore, today I want to share with you some of the tips that have been helpful for me to manage time, and I would really like to share with them with you so that they might be helpful to you too. So in this video, I'll save the last best tips at the last end of the video. So guys, I encourage you to watch this video to the end. So tip number 1, keep track of your time. By keeping track, I mean find out how you spend your time and note down the amount of time you spend in each different task. Once you know the amount of time you spend in each different task, then you'll be able to allocate more time to the most important and urgent tasks first. Tip number 2 is planning in advance. This is one of the best time management tips. It's important to plan in advance on how you're going to spend your time on different tasks. When you do this, you're supposed to at least try and plan your task a day in advance. When you plan your task in advance, then you know exactly what you need to do. Therefore, it will allow you to be more organized and productive. A research that was done 10 years ago revealed that planning realistic goals ahead of time is one of the most effective way to manage time. The next tip is tip number 3, setting smart goals. Setting smart goals is the key to managing your time. Using the SMART goal setting method is one of the great ways in which you'll be able to set the correct goals. For more on SMART goal setting, please click on the icon above here so that you can be able to watch the full video on this channel on about setting SMART goals. Tip number 4 is prioritizing tasks. One of the best time management tips is prioritizing them as per their importance and urgency. As per Eisenhower method, he says that we need to prioritize tasks according to their priorities. For you to do this, you have to categorize the task into 4. The first one is important and urgent tasks. These ones need to be done immediately. Second, we have important but not urgent. These ones need to be decided when they need to be done. And the third one, we have not urgent but important. These ones need to be delegated. And the last one, we have not urgent and not important, of which these ones needs to be done later. Tip number 5 is taking a break in between. When you have been focusing for a long period of time, with time it gets difficult for you to continue focusing on the next task after the next one, and this makes it much hard and tiresome. Therefore, it is very important for you to take breaks in between different tasks. Therefore, it helps you to recharge your energy and be more motivated on carrying on the next task more effectively. A research that was done in 2019 revealed that taking breaks helped improve physical and cognitive performance of employees. We can take breaks by maybe breaking for a cup of tea or doing some breathing exercise or taking a walk. Step number 6 is getting rid of distractions and time wasters. It can be in forms of games or social media. Sometimes we tend to find ourselves on social media scrolling and maybe telling ourselves this will be the last video, and we continue procrastinating. Maybe we say this is the last game I'm playing, then I'll be able to do 1, 2, 3 before I get back to the game. But we'll find ourselves after several hours still playing the same game or still scrolling on social media without having accomplished anything or any of our tasks. A study done in 2016 proved that eliminating distractions and trying and doing one task at a time is a one way on which is very effective in accomplishing our goals. Therefore, we should try and stay away from procrastination, because procrastination really is our enemy, our major enemy in accomplishing our goals. Therefore, for us to manage our time more effectively, we have to stay away. Organize your time. After prioritizing your task, you need to organize your tasks and allocate each one of them a certain number of time, of minutes or hours, on which you'll be able to accomplish each one of them, and that you need to stick to that so that you'll be able to work more effectively and be able to manage a lot of time without spending more time on one that is not more important than the other. Tip number 8 is delegate. As per Eisenhower's method, urgent but not important tasks can be delegated. He understands that we are human and therefore we cannot be able to accomplish everything by ourselves. So it's important to train somebody to be able to do the urgent but not important tasks for us. We can use that spare time in focusing more on the important and bigger projects. Therefore, we'll be able to manage time more effectively. Avoiding multitasking. That's our second last point. And multitasking brings more negative than positive. Multitasking can consume 40% more of our precious time, more than when we compare it to working and focusing on a specific task at a time. Only 2.5% of the world's population can be able to work efficiently when they are multitasking. And let's not lie to ourselves. We all know that's not me or you. Therefore, it's more important when we focus on our specific task at a time, and this will be able to help us manage time and accomplish our goals more efficiently. The last tip number 10, is meditate and exercise. It is very important to clear your mind before you start to work. This enables you to increase your focus, and therefore a study that was done in 2015 revealed that meditating played a major role in increasing cognition, attention, cognitive flexibility, and academic performance. And the end result of this was able to help individuals to manage their time more effectively and accomplish their goals more efficiently. So guys, thank you so much for watching this channel, and if you found this helpful, please don't forget to click the like button, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe so that you can be able to get more helpful videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.